After selecting all of your audio clips in the edit page and then selecting edit menu and then selecting delete gaps, for some crazy reason, DaVinci Resolve between some clips leaves a very tiny gap, which is also not consistent. In addition, if you would ripple trim at the end of an audio clip and similarly at the beginning of an audio clip, then there is a random chance that DaVinci Resolve would increase or create a gap between the two audio clips. I've been looking for a solution to this problem for a very long time, and luckily enough, I've finally found it. So to fix it, click on the timeline menu, hover your cursor over audio, and then simply select trim audio edits to frame boundaries. And now when you select all your audio clips, select edit and then select delete gap, it will get rid of those very tiny gaps. And now when you ripple trim the end and the beginning of two different audio clips, it doesn't leave any gaps anymore. And one last note, if you go back to the timeline menu, hover your cursor over audio again, DaVinci Resolve still doesn't show a check mark in front of trim audio edits to frame boundaries, which makes it very hard to know whether we have checked this option or not. However, nevertheless, by clicking on it once, it fixes the audio gaps issues. And I think it's a glitch in DaVinci Resolve.